Can someone define screw mechanism?
The rotation of the knee, the rotation, strengthening during the flexion and extension of the knee.
So, ang yan, screw mechanism, at the last, di siya happen.
At the last 20 degrees of extension,
What happens to the tibia?
external.
Rotating the front of the disc.
So, in the last 20 or 25? So, na 25 ako na. 25 ako na. Last 25 degrees of knee extension, your tibia does what? Internal rotation or external rotation?
Internal. Internal?
External rotation. So, si tibia mo, external rotate during the last 25 degrees of extension. And when your tibia externally rotates, what happens to your knee? During the last 20 degrees, externally rotate na siya, tapos ma-reach yun ng 0 degrees. What happens to your knee?
Galak.
Lock na siya. So, it's for the locking mechanism of your knee. That's why, kung nakalock na, good line na siya attempt to flex. Okay, kumbaga, nag-lock na siya into extension. And that's why we are stable when we are standing. Okay, nakalock na lang at okay, so we have here test for one plane medial instability. So for anong structures sa knee na guys? Anong structures tama? Anong ligaments sa knee?
ACL, PCL, MCL, medial meniscus, and lateral meniscus.
Lateral. So just like your elbow, di ba? Your MCL and LCL are sa medial side and lateral side. So for example, this is your knee. Or di mo knee. So your MCL, what does it prevent? Valgus stress or varus stress? Valgus stress is your knee is pointing towards where? Midline or sa lateral side? If you are doing valgus stress. Then siya move pa lateral side or pa medial side? Valgus stress. Valgus. Valgus. Lateral side. Pagwa siya, no? Pagwa. So kung sini mo, for example, this is my knee. Gapa. Gwa siya. Kung varus naman, what happens to your knee? Gapa. Then ang direction. Pasulod o pagwa? Pasulod na pagwa. Yeah. The direction. Actually, ang knee joint din mismo, gapa outside. Pero ang mean ko, the whole tibia is gapasulod. Okay? So for abduction valgus stress, feeling ano ang structure yun na stress na. One plane medial instability. Diba? It's for medial instability. Okay? So MCL or LCL?
MCL.
MCL. Actually, not just MCL lang sila, no? Pero more on the medial structures for one plane medial instability. So same later on sa atin nga lateral stability. For this one, 3 methods